Hey you guys, okay, so I wanted to pop in this extra short little video. My hair is stuck on my button. But before we do that, let's go ahead and play our intro. Okay, so I went ahead and ordered this little tool off of Amazon that I'm not sure about. And I might be about to burn off my eyelashes. Let's hope not. But what I want to do is test out my heated eyelash curler. I know, it's crazy. It's getting pretty hot already. And I want to try it versus a regular one. And then I will put the same mascara on both eyes and see if it's really worth it to splurge for this or if you can get away with like a $2 eyelash curler. So while this is still heating up, it's not getting super hot yet, I'm going to go ahead and do my regular eye with eyelash curlers, which honestly, I hardly ever curl my lashes anyways, but I know some people are super into that. So we are going to zoom in so you can see my eyes. Hopefully you can see my eyelashes against this eyeshadow pretty well. And I'm using a mascara that I just got in that I'm in love with. So this is going to be our regular curler over here. Just take it as close to the lash line as you can, and you can hold down, kind of pump it a little bit, but be careful not to go too far down, or you can get your actual lash line, which never feels good. And now that I've curled with that, I'm going to take this Grande mascara, it is so good, and go ahead and put that on and see how it looks with the regular eyelash curler. Ooh, it's getting a little clumpy. I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes too. You can't really curl those, but you know, they need to be there, and try to clean that up. Okay, so we've got that one done. This mascara is pretty good. Always looks pretty good. I think this is as hot as it's going to get. So reading the instructions, you basically just take this and brush your lashes up. Hopefully I don't burn myself. We'll see. Maybe not. But I'm just going to take it and kind of blink onto it. It's not really separating my lashes, which I was kind of hoping it might, at least a little bit. But it seems to be curling them pretty well. I'll run it through my bottom lashes a little bit. And then we will put on this mascara and see if it's any different. Okay, so I'm shocked to say that it actually seems to work probably at least equally as well, if not a little bit better than my regular eyelash curler. I was pretty scared of this. I thought it was going to hurt my lashes. But this is just one I got off of Amazon. I'm sure you can get better kinds. Let me zoom out while I talk to y'all. So, and excuse all this noise. My roommate's dog is going crazy. Anyways, I got it from this brand on Amazon. I'll link it below, I guess. It says it's an electric eyebrow curler, which is obviously not the case. but it comes with a little brush and a cap. And then this is a chargeable one. You don't need batteries for it. You can recharge it. They also included like a little face mask brush. I guess that's nice. And I got a little carry case for it. So yeah, I think this runs about $10 or $12. I'm not gonna say like go get it, but it definitely worked. It definitely looks better. I mean, I'm impressed. I like it. I think I could actually see myself using this pretty often. I mean, it's just really simple. It'll be easy to carry with me and really easy to use. So I guess this was really quick. I'm sorry guys. I'm trying to get it, you know, content pre-recorded, get it ready so I can go out of town for the holidays. And this is what you get for today. So yeah, heated eyelash curler, definitely not the worst thing I've ever tried. If you want to pick one up and get it, it's not super expensive and it's definitely worth a shot. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little product review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye you guys.